If you've got yourself a pair of AirPods for ANC, but while playing music, streaming, or on call, if you think the volume is kinda low, you wish it could be louder, we're gonna show you how to boost the overall audio on your AirPods using some hidden settings on your very own iPhone. Now, first of all, we're gonna address the call issue, especially if you're having low volume during call. So while there is an ongoing call, you can increase the volume either by the volume rocker or from your control center. Just increase the volume from this bar. And apart from that, open up settings from there to sounds and haptics. We're going to scroll down and enter headphone safety. If it's turned on, you can turn off reduce loud audio all the way. Or if you want to keep it turned on, all you have to do is just go ahead, increase this bar to the maximum. But just a little bit careful, this might hurt your ears. Now we're going to talk about if you're getting low volume during music or audio. So from settings, we're going to now enter accessibility, to audio and visual, to headphone accommodation. Make sure it's turned on. What you need to do is just select brightness in these settings and set the slider to strong. If you're changing this setting while listening to music, you will feel an immediate boost in your volume. Or better, what you can do is just go for a custom audio setup designed just for you. Tap on custom audio setup. Make sure you wear the earbuds. Press continue. Continue once again. Press no even if you hear the sound. Press continue. No once again. Continue. And then continue once again. Just let your iPhone know that it cannot hear them so that it can create a louder custom volume range for you, okay? Now it's better if you select version 2. Press continue. Once again, select version 2 to continue. Lastly, make sure it's selected to custom. Press continue. And that's all. Your custom audio is set up. If you play a sample, you will notice a boost in the sound way louder than before, even if your device's volume is low. Lastly, we're going to check out some equalizer settings. From settings, go to the app section and look for music. Scroll down and enter audio. First of all, turn off the sound check option. Enter equalizer or EQ. Now, EQ is normally turned off, but there are some equalizers that immediately boost sounds like increased bass, loudness, rock, or late night, etc. So just play something, go ahead, change the equalizer according to your own need. And these are the way you can boost volume on your AirPods for ANC from your iPhone. Thanks for watching.